He about to stick to what he knows best, chat. He said, hey, I can't cut up, but I'm about to drift in this motherfucker. I'm about to do some donuts. Yes, sir. That's what we talking about, chat.
Oh, you can
Do a figure 8. Hold on. Damn, golly. Gotta whip that motherfucker. The torch, chat. God damn. Fucking headphones fell off, bro. Golly. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy XFGlive back at it again with another reaction video. Right now we at it. Back at it like a crack addict. Let me chill, yo. If y'all don't know, we back in here, man. We watching Srtlen, Red Keyland, extremely loud flame tune, Demon 170 Charger.
so you can
This shit sound crazy, chat. Without further ado, man, let's get into it, man.
Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
I don't look suspicious or nothing, right?
Okay. He dead ass looking suspicious. Okay. Woo! Hold on.
Welcome back to another SRT Matthew.
Oh,
That's Matthew, chat. Oh, y'all see that Challenger?
We
Nah.
have a little visitor today, a little
That
stat
Challenger
pack,
look
so we
crazy.
can see how Demon 170 Charger, you know, SRT
Okay.
lens, Demon 170
The red
Charger
key,
that we
chat.
stole.
I know y'all see that red
Against
key.
A Challenger scat pack today. But first, we need
First.
gas. We have no gas.
They always never have gas, chat. They be going to the gas station like 3 times a video,
That
chat.
ain't no regular scat pack now.
he trying to
Whoa,
press
hold
you.
on. Whoa. Calm down there, Jamal.
If it gets hit, I don't know what to do. I don't have insurance. I
Oh,
don't
shit.
pay the car payment.
Oh, shit. Fuck.
It's cooked. Len is cooked.
Yeah, you guys are
What's up,
clipped.
bud?
Yeah, nice to meet you, Matthew.
Oh, no, it's another YN. Yo, chat, which one y'all picking? The Challenger or the Charger?
so you can
I ain't gonna lie, chat. That Challenger looking fire.
What's your name?
I'm Matthew number 2.
Matthew number
This
2.
is Matthew's cousin.
Matthew
You got
number
gas?
2.
Like 50 miles.
Oh, he's cooked if we go on a chase.
Should fill up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put like $5 in this joint.
Lucky for me, I stole Len's everything. I got his phone, credit card.
Matthew's a
password.
demon. He stole everything.
You're a criminal by association.
Facts.
Don't take Appleton. Now I gotta walk into the store like a fucking dickhead wearing this shit.
Look at this motherfucker. He look like he about to stick up the whole place, bro.
Oh, I get 50 on 11. I don't look suspicious or nothing, right? Yeah. Hey man.
He
we're not
said,
doing
yeah.
nothing wrong. I think-
Yo, look at the dude in the back.
But,
Yo, the dude in the back, like.
Being a weirdo?
Gotta go do some weird shit. What is that?
That nigga does not like it. He said, yeah, go ahead with that.
you fucking knife, mate.
Yo, he look like he about to snap. Yo, Matthew, get out of that gas station now, immediately.
My bro, man.
ASAP, pronto.
Gas
Is
tank?
that enough for a chase?
He's baked. Why the old head in there say I'm doing weird shit?
He said that?
He said you're weird. He said he's doing weird shit. There. Hey, chat, hold on.
Oh, you can
Okay.
Stole it the other day.
Let's get to it. That John, nice spot, right?
We just stole him.
It's all good?
Them bitches is strikers.
But it might, the wheels might be going.
This a striker POV, chat.
For a couple days.
You're not going to cops on us, right? Oh, wow.
Do that. This nigga got a
Oh, had
fucking
support
head
y'all.
cap on. Who the f
Oh
is
my
that?
god,
What is
chat.
that?
Y'all see the
Photoshop?
sidelights? Oh, chat. Oh. Purple demon got the stars in the ceiling. Hold on.
So like always, y'all,
Let's
I'm
go,
gonna
let's
start it
go.
off in auto until this hooligan starts acting crazy. Then I'm gonna have to show his ass what this track mode do.
Show us what that track mode do.
But right now, we probably about
Come
to
on,
just
Matthew.
cruise through the city. Oh
You
shit.
about to be cruising. Bro, that Challenger looks so fire though, chat. Y'all hear that shit?
Y'all boys know I got this motherfucking Dino 170 tuned up and shit. Going through the city.
That's a fact.
Should be loud as shit.
That shit sound loud. That shit louder than my dog. That shit sound louder than a gunshot. God damn. The hell, kitty cat sounding crazy. Okay. That shit sound fire.
It's that the city stinks.
Woo. God damn. To the right. Bro, both of these cars sound fire.
Okay, cool.
Oh.
Race me off a dig.
They about to race? Man. Let's see this shit. Come on, off a dig. Challenger versus Charger. Hellcat Challenger versus Hellcat Charger. Oh. Went crazy. As a matter of fact, it wasn't even a Hellcat. It's a demon. Versus a Scat Pack? I thought that was a Scat. Chad, you think that's a Scat or a Hellcat? You bouncing that shit, bro. No diddy. He said that shit's working. Okay. Oh, why is it getting so cinematic and dramatic? It's so cinematic, dramatic.
This doesn't feel legal.
This shit.
Nothing about this feels legal, y'all.
This shit feel highly legal. Highly illegal. They just did that past a cop car. They wildin', chat. Okay. Oh shit. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Golly. Damn. They in the towns with it. They are wildin'. They wildin'. They definitely think it's a gun. Yeah, bro. They whole exhaust. They whole exhaust sound like a gunshot.
I love you.
Look, there's somebody auntie in the back. What the fuck is that?
What the fuck?
This a YN. There's a random YN. You about to chase him down? This man Srtlen is diabolical.
Yeah, bitch.
Oh yeah. That car look fire, chat. Yo, I love what he did with the interior, bro. He made this car fire inside out. Woo! Better chase that boy. Okay. See that Challenger go crazy. Yeah, that shit on boat. What y'all think, chat? Why that shit doing that though? That shit sound like this. Sound like a fucking gunshot. Okay. Okay. He in that big body Challenger. Oh no, it's a narrow. It's a narrow.
What's up, man?
Big ass semi
What's
truck.
up, man?
Hey,
What's up?
the trucker life.
Oh, good Samaritan. Good Samaritan.
Good Samaritan.
Let's race.
Let's go.
I think
Left him in the dust. He said, "Let's race." Smoked the fuck out of him. I don't know why he said he wanted to race. I don't know why.
Bruh.
Oh shit. Uh-oh. Okay. Chat.
Yo, we getting on the highway?
Get on the highway?
Yeah.
Chat, how would y'all rate these cars, man? From a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving it a 12.
No, that's
I'm giving it a flame for
I
that.
spin in the city, bro, but it's so hard.
Yeah.
Like cops, they don't even be out for real. They be
Man,
out,
they
but like, they don't
scared.
be driving around. They be like posted up at the corner and stuff.
Oh, for real?
Skeptical YN.
Oh my goodness.
I fuck with the starlights in them bitches, bruh. Oh, the flames? The flames? The flames? Are we gonna see them come out? We're gonna see them come out?
Oh shit.
Bruh.
Boy, ain't no fucking way, boy.
Chase early.
Bro, dead ass. It's definitely someone on the highway though. It gotta be. Y'all been recording all
God.
day or y'all just started?
We literally just started.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
I hope my footage is like straight.
Uh-huh. That's so fire though. I could see the lights and shit too. Ooh! Yo! That's on the fire? Oh, let's go! That shit look flame! Oh my god, dude. Another one. 5 for the bati. 5 for the bati.
Bro, I gotta get the two.
Nah, that flame tune is insane. Oh my god, that shit looks sexy. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Look at that fire. Oh my god, chat. Oh my god, yo. Look at the demon purple torch, chat. It's a demon. Yeah. My boy driving crazy in that motherfucker. You can just see the flames coming through that John. Chat, I can't wait to get me one of these, bro. I'm telling you, I'm coming for that shit. I need me one. I need me one of those. What should we get, chat? The Challenger or the Charger? Oh, shit.
My shit ringing right now. My shit ringing.
My shit ringing right now, too. As we speak. Ooh. Y'all said both? I should get both? Nah, that'll be fire. Hold on. This shit gonna be turned, chat. Golly. Oh, who's that? It's a new opponent. What the fuck?
Boy, ain't no fucking way, boy.
Bruh.
That gotta be a porch or some shit, chat. We got a new opponent, chat. New op in the street. Hold on. Who's that? Okay. Oh, the headlights on that shit look fire. Yo, it is a Porsche. It's a Porsche Spider. Convertible. Nah, that motherfucker's speeding. Yeah, he got money, chat. But can he beat the demon? Nah, he ain't beating the demon. I got faith in the purple torch, chat. I got 50 cents on the purple torch.
That Porsche not playing.
And half of a honey bun with some ramen noodle packs on it. You feel me? Oh my god. That shit looks so sexy. That car look fire.
Oh man, we hit 5. It's chase time, y'all. It's chase time.
Chase time. Y'all know what they say, chat. It's chase time. It's chase time. Hold on. You know what they say? They say it's chase time. That was for the thumbnail right there. I ain't gonna lie. Oh shoot. He cutting up. Look at that sexy torch right there. The demon. I fuck with the front lips too. Yo, it got the purple eye. Yo, look at the eye. Nah, that's fire. Tough. That's tough. That's tough. I ain't even gonna lie. Now that's trim. That's trim. That's trim. Fucking headphones fell off, bro. Golly. He moving that motherfucker. He moving. Pushing that shit. How you drive? How you drive?
Yeah.
I don't know. Let me see. Meet at the mall.
Meet at the mall.
It's on there.
Meet at the mall.
I bet. Everything Gucci. Chat. Flame tune like these. That shit fire. 10 out of 10, bro.
Whole time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm turkey. I would've still gotten the chase though.
Man, what chase are they
Hey, I'm
talking
trying to
about?
figure out why are at the mall.
Yeah,
I'm trying to figure out
why he wanna go to the mall?
At the mall, right?
Definitely.
Definitely fucking. They all fucking. Every single one of these cars.
Every car.
Bro, I fuck with that hood, bro. That whole Challenger Demon hood, that shit is fire. Shit is tough.
How was the drive, man? How was the drive?
It was great.
Like
It was a great experience. I was
Matthew
praying,
1
bro.
versus
I
Matthew
actually thought I
2.
was gonna get into a chase. Like y'all saw me on camera. I was
Bruh.
driving like this the whole time.
Bro, I'm ready to go on a chase, bro.
Bro, this whole
Oh,
plate
we-
was down the whole time, bro. I was like,
Since I got the new engine, bro, I haven't been on a chase yet.
The demon engine. It's a demon.
I'm gonna steal that shit.
it's gonna be a banger video, regardless.
I think
Chat,
so,
this
too,
was
man.
a banger, bro. Hey, this was a banger video. Chat, if y'all enjoyed, please hit that like button, subscribe, hit the post notification. You feel me? Comment, share for more. It's your boy XFG, and I'm out, y'all. Chill.